This tip is about using symbols, and some symbols might work for some people and not for others. You want to make sure you choose symbols that don't take a long time to write. So if you're trying to draw a symbol and it's taking longer than it would to write the word out, you don't want that symbol. You want to use a symbol so that it cuts down the amount of things you're writing. If I can do a dollar sign instead of write money, that's going to save me a few seconds in writing, and that's what we want with flowing. We want to be writing everything we can, but cut it down by like half or a quarter. So we're only writing a little bit instead of a lot. So these are some of the symbols I use. I like to use arrows so that I can say like famine leads to war. So I know every time I do a sideways arrow, it means leads to or goes to. I use it really often, so I know that's what it means. I like to use the not sign. You could also do like doesn't equal. I put that when I mean like this doesn't equal that. These are pretty similar. I like to use this exclamation point to mean like an impact or something's really important. Instead of saying without, I do a W-O. It saves me a lot of letters. Dollar sign for money. I star important things. If you're talking about love or something, I just draw a heart. I can draw hearts really quickly, but some people it might take a while. So that might not be a symbol that works for you. And then when I'm writing about something's good or happy, I do this smiley face. And so a smiley face doesn't always mean happy, but for me, it means good a lot of the time. So I use a smiley face a lot. So these are just some common symbols I use. You can use different symbols. But again, they should be common because you want somebody else to be able to read your flow, and you want your symbols to be quick. So let's try it. For this next video, you're going to try to do 2 tips. So one of your first 2 tips and then this tip. If you feel like you handled both of those first 2 tips pretty well, try to do all 3. If you are struggling and you're getting frustrated and this is all like really tough for you, that's okay. Try to just do this tip. But again, you should be doing things that push yourself, but doesn't push yourself to the point of, I can't do this anymore. Okay. So good luck. Let's try to do the next tip in this next song.